Nobody is coming to save you. Not your friends, not motivation videos, not some perfect future version of yourself. At some point, you have to face the reality that your life is your responsibility. And that truth hurts, because it's easier to blame your circumstances, your past, your lack of motivation, your bad habits. But deep down, you already know what needs to change. You know the distractions are destroying you. You know you're wasting time. You know you're becoming comfortable with a life you secretly hate. And every night, that reality starts getting louder. That's why you feel anxious when everything gets quiet. Because silence forces you to meet the person you're becoming. The painful part is, you still imagine a better version of yourself. More disciplined, more focused, more confident. But that version of you will never appear magically. You have to build him, and nobody else can do that for you. Not your parents, not your friends, not the internet, you. Because one day you'll wake up and realize years passed while you kept waiting for motivation to save you. Nobody is coming. And maybe that's a good thing, because the moment you truly understand that is the moment you finally take control of your life.